All right, 2009 Cadillac Escalade. The wheel bearing assembly. We now have to remove the brake caliper first. This guy here. This guy over here. It's gonna be 18. It's gonna be 36. Hang this, okay? From with a cord, not by the hose. You're gonna have to disconnect this one and plug it. Okay. Just unplug it here though, okay? That's pretty much it. Remove the rotor. This is gonna be 36. These are gonna be 15. You got 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Once you remove the 3 bolts, just hit it with the hammer. It's gonna come off. Don't worry about this though, because the new wheel bearing assembly comes with a new sensor. Okay. Hit it with the hammer. It's gonna come off. There we go. I clean all this. Get it ready for a new one. Alright. Clean this with a brush here. Over here too, just in case. Clean all the way around here. Put some grease. We're about to put everything back. This thing is gonna go like this. Okay. This thing right here is just gonna just put it in, just the way it is. Pause. Alright. Obviously this thing gotta go through here, right? That's it. This is 177 foot-pounds. The bolts for the wheel bearing assemblies, 133 foot-pounds. 3 of them. Alright. This one you can do it by hand. The one for the caliper bracket you can do it by hand. Pretty much it. Hala.